What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade review. And today we are going to talk about Boeing. Okay, so Boeing, if you know, Boeing has been spiking for the past few days, and unless you live under the rock, you wouldn't know. But if you are in the in the trading community, everyone is know, and it has been on watch since last week. Okay, today is June 8th. Okay, so this is today. Okay, but if you look at this is a daily chart. Okay, so you look at the Boeing spike up here after the breakout this level. Is break up. If you trade this in the swing trade, this is where you probably would be entry. Okay, and the stop loss would be right here on the swing trade. Okay, so at this point you already have 1-to-1 plus return. So some people probably already partial somehow if you are a swing trade, but just so you know. So at this point, breakout at this point right here, the breakout, the volume is huge. So today is continuation. Okay, from last Friday. Today is Monday. Okay, so this is where we're gonna be talking about today. I think there is a fundamental for today is that one of the analysts come out and upgraded Boeing, the price target and everything. I'm not sure exactly how much, but I know there is an upgrade for the stock. Okay, and the price target also. All right, so that's the catalyst for the stock, and also based on the daily chart, the stock has been running. It's broke out of this range, and it's been spiking up. Okay, due to the economy, possible recovery. I don't know. It's a lot of bullshit, but whatever it is, we're gonna play with the technical. Okay, the technical says so, and we also have a catalyst today. Okay, so basically this is the trade for Boeing. This is a 1 minute chart, and this is a 3 minute chart. These are intraday. I use both of them. Okay, so basically this is where we will be focusing on. Okay, the top breakout at 2:30, but let's talk about this whole trade. Opening trade, I mean, I was waiting for this opening trade. At this point, break out of this level would be the entry level. I was waiting for it. This is a falling wedge, actually a falling channel. Okay, so I was waiting for this to go over to 223 this morning to enter the trade, but the minute I saw it broke down here, this candle, like, oh, okay, this trade is over. So I went and looked at, I think, AAL. Okay, and then I saw this ram up, and like, in a couple minutes, I was waiting for this. I should have just put an automatic order for this. Okay, and as you could see, right, is perfectly you risk 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's $4, and you got $1, 2, 3, $4 back. Okay, so basically 1-to-1 ratio, and then retrace. Okay, the key point here is the volume. Look at the buying volume here, huge, and this stock average volume, right, is Boeing. Okay, average 6-month volume is 23 million, and today how much? Guess how much volume it trade? 80 millions. Okay, plus volume, so it's a lot of volume was traded. So anything with like a lot of volume, especially at the open here, like 1, 2, 3, like on the first 9 minutes, is probably 5-6 million volume. So it's a lot of volume. The first 10 minutes. Okay, so basically this is a good entry. Okay, to the whole number 223, and then it's broke above this downtrend line too, and above the VWAP and the 20-day moving average. My setup. Okay, and then even though the market was kind of consolidating at the open a little bit, but that's fine. Is run the minutes that go above this, because a lot of people got short here. Okay, so these are trap. These are like bear trap right here. They got trap, especially this one. They got trap, and then they have to cover, and that pushed the whole thing price up. Even though the market was kind of trending down, it's somewhat undecisive at the open. Okay, so basically that's one. We could talk about that. So that's the trade that you enter here and you risk right here. Okay, but what I'm focusing on here is the 230, the top breakout at this point. Okay, so at this point, right, for some people this would be extended, right? But to me, I was like, this not really extended, because if you look at this whole formation here, it's a measure move. Okay, so basically, it's gonna be, you're gonna calculate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, it didn't reach that level, but like it's like this, like that. Okay, so so basically at 2:30, I know it wasn't it's extended, but it's not like extremely extended. Okay, and you could see, and nothing that's right here is the volume. Okay, the volume up here is good, and then the breakout volume here to reach 230, it was decent volume. Okay, above average, so it's still strong. Unless this volume was really below the average volume, I would not be considered going in here at all. But it, but the volume was good, and at this point right here, this tested that level. The volume is high also, so it's a lot of signal. So they are saying that people are interested in getting into the stock. And the thing is, the stock was traded a lot of people were trading it too, so that's the thing. And at this point right here, the volume right before entry is reached 23 millions, which the first maybe 45 minutes, it's already reached the whole day volume. So that's a lot of people trading it. Like people probably short the stock too and have to cover, like swing trade and everything. So it's a lot of action. Okay, so I was like, what? That's number one criteria for this kind of trade. Like top breakout, I want to see some kind of volume. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is my criteria here. I just make it. All right, so relative strength is much stronger than the market, and the market was moving down too. Okay, during this level, okay, the market moving down. So relative strength wise, it was good, and it's correlate well with the S&P. It's moved up while the S&P is trending down, so that's very good. Volume, I already talked about that. Volume is still high, so I talk about the volume, how like each step is going up, volume is still high. Otherwise, that's good. And then it's tested. Like I wouldn't get in right away at this point. Like I want to see. Because I want to have like good consolidation time, like at least 15 minutes. But this right here, 20 minutes. And the nice thing about this is that it's tested this level, and then it's failed. So that's a good thing. And then when it tested this level, it was only 10 minutes in, so it's not really much criteria anyway. Okay, I would not jump in at that point. All right, so basically, it's a good thing when it's tested this, and then it's put in a higher low. Okay, so that's high low retest, so which is really good. Because if you want, you could put here as a stop loss, but I would recommend it as a stop loss at this point. Okay, and then I talk about the consolidation, and then the entry was perfect. 230 is a perfect whole number here. Okay, so basically 230 was a perfect number, and the minute I see it, I was like, what, I gonna jump onto this. Okay, so basically it was good, and then you risk around $3. Okay, and you get back 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically, I mean, some people right here at this point, you put partial and then let the rest run. Okay, to reach a target, up to you, but it did reach the target of $3+. Okay, so basically that's the anatomy of the top breakout trade, and also the opening trade also. All right, so basically that's it. I just want to go over with you. So that's all I use: volume, S&P, and price action. Okay, guys, if you have any question, put in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Happy trading, guys. Thank you. Bye.